Hello, everyone. Welcome to public speaking for the spring 2021 semester at Robeson Community College. I'm your instructor for this class. My name is Eileen Hammond. You can call me Ms. Hammond or Professor Hammond. My pronouns are she, her, hers. I wanted to welcome you to the course and to tell you a few things about this class and just let you put a face to a name. You'll be seeing more of me in lecture videos throughout the semester. So this is a completely online and asynchronous class, which means we don't have set meeting times where you would need to attend class with me. You will progress through the course using the deadlines from our course schedule and completing the work on your own time. That means that you'll do most of the learning in this class through textbook reading and through lecture videos and through discussion forum posting. So it's really important that right at the beginning of the semester, you can get access to the online textbook, which is included with this course, and that you do all of the assigned reading by the deadlines in our course schedule. We will also have online forums where I will post a discussion prompt for each week of the class, and I'll ask everybody to respond to my discussion prompt at least once per week. And these prompts will include video examples and some questions to get you thinking about what was going on in your textbook reading for that week, or what we're working on in your actual speeches for that part of the term. Because this is a completely online class, you will be recording your speeches at home or wherever you want and uploading them to our course website, which means that you need a device that you can record video on, like a laptop with webcam or a smartphone that has recording capability. And you'll also need a strong internet connection. Sometimes that's the more challenging part because uploading video requires a lot of bandwidth. And so if you're using your phone's data, it will take a lot longer to upload your videos, and we'll test all of this out at the beginning of the semester, but I just want to let you know now, you will need some sort of recording device and a strong internet connection at some points in the semester. You'll also need Microsoft Word to make your speech outlines. You have access to Office 365 through Robeson Community College, which should work just fine for making your outlines, or if you have Microsoft Word on your computer, that will work. And I'll also suggest that you download the Zoom software to your computer if you haven't already. And that's because if you decide you want to use a slideshow for a visual aid for one of your speeches, and we'll talk more about this later, but if you want to do that, recording using Zoom screen sharing is the easiest way to do that. We'll talk more about that later, but it might help to go ahead and download all the software you're going to need right now. Zoom is a free software, and you'll need to actually download it to your computer for recording and not just using it in the browser. So in this class, what you'll be graded on includes 4 graded speeches. There will be 1 informative speech, 2 persuasive speeches, and 1 ceremonial speech. Each speech also requires a typed outline that will be graded, and you will be giving peer feedback to 2 of your peers for each speech and doing a self-evaluation for each speech, and that's all part of your graded work. You'll also have 3 choose your own adventure assignments throughout the semester. That's sort of a twist on our reading response, where you will get to choose from a list of prompts to respond to your assigned reading thus far. You'll be participating in weekly discussion forums, and there will also be a final exam that's based on your textbook reading. If you have questions or concerns at any point throughout the semester, I encourage you to reach out to me via email. I'm pretty responsive on email during the week and on weekends. The only exception to that is on the day or night when something is due. It will be harder for me to help you if you're having a last minute problem that could have been taken care of in advance. So please do, please try not to wait until your deadlines to complete your work, because then if you run into a problem and you need my help, we won't really have time to resolve that problem before the deadline. So do reach out to me whenever you have questions or concerns, and also know that you might find the answers to some of your questions in our course syllabus or schedule. So it's always good practice to look there first. I look forward to working with each of you this semester, to learning from you in your speeches. And I hope that you have a great semester, and I will see you soon.